5-second prayer break. Father in the heavens, I pray that whoever sees this video have mental health. In the name of Jesus, guys, we pray. Amen. Let's get it. So basically the plan is to clean as much as I can under the hood, because you can see this thing is getting eaten up by the rust, especially like where the struts are, like where the coils are at, and I cannot let that happen. Now I was okay with it as long as it, you know, was minimal, but now it's growing and growing and growing. If I let it grow to a point, it's not gonna be a good owner for the Vader, and I can't let that happen. So I'm gonna do my best, and that's all I can do. Let's get it. Commercial break. So that is both covers. This one is just planted, and this one is not, because I have to clean the edges. I started cleaning it, and then I noticed that it was super late, so I'm like, next time. Who can tell me what coil is misfiring? Is it that one? This one? This one? This one? This one? Or this one? Well, if you guessed this one, then you're right. This one's supposedly good, even though that is super dirty. Let's get back to programming and let's start cleaning this thing. been that loud before. That engine screams. What the freak, bro?